生得值得。
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Cathay Pacific and my team, Kong Heng Fan Choi, and welcome on board CX839, our one-way flight to Hong Kong. To our remarkable local members, it's a pleasure to see you again. Captain David Hayden will be taking us to Hong Kong in 13 hours and 45 minutes, and my name is Mala, your in-flight service manager. We're looking forward to making your journey a pleasant and comfortable one. Thank you and enjoy the flight. And now in preparation to take off, may we please have your attention for the safety demonstration. Thank you.
你估真係好過雲啊！都咪係咯，都冇埞擺，又買一大包糖。
糖好味啊！